I have something to tell you. Windows has a big problem, and that's not one. There are a lot of problems that Windows comes with, and I think there are also a lot of applications that actually solve these small problems that Windows comes with. And in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best apps that I think should actually be built into Windows to actually solve all these Windows nifty problems that it comes with. And without wasting more time, let's get right into the video. Alright, so before we get started, I've provided a timestamps in the description where you can skip between different applications if you actually know the application I'm already talking about and you like to skip to the next one. So the first one I'm going to talk about is one of the biggest problem Windows has been having since they entered Windows 11, which is the context menu. And with this, we all know how annoying where you have to click on this show more options over here to actually get to click on a certain feature in this list over here. And you can also do that by clicking shift plus your right click button, but it's sometimes annoying, and there is one tool that actually fixes it up, and you can just get it and install it on your computer. And once you have it, you can just right click on it and run it as your administrator over here, and you just have to click on register and register it up. And with this, anytime I right click, I'm going to get this modern Windows 11 style context menu, and it comes with a whole lot of features. So yeah, you can actually go with this, which is actually going to improve your entire features and entire animations and flow of how you actually use your context menu. So just give this one a try. And the next one I'm going to show you is one of the tools which actually helps in a whole lot of category. We all know how anytime you open a folder which contains specific files like folders and the rest, it's actually going to show shit thumbnails, especially with these Photoshop files. When you haven't install this application on it, you are not able to see the actual content of the file you've actually opened, and you're going to see the application thumbnail throughout the entire list you have. But with this application called SageThumbs, you can just head to this official link where you can just grab this application for yourself, and with this you can just open it up, and once you have it, just click on it to install it up on your computer. And after that, you are going to see all the files you are having will show the actual thumbnail of the actual file instead of showing the application that is being run as a thumbnail. And I think this is a pretty cool tool that every Windows user should also have on their computer. The next one I'm going to show you is also more related to the default phone link application. We all know how this phone link app comes with a whole lot of vibe by providing you with messages, call, and also accessing even your photos over here to actually improve your life. But there's one problem that it actually comes with, and I think we can actually fix it in some few ways. The problem is actually using Microsoft account to actually access this, and without it you can't even access it. And with this, there's a tool called Sephira, and I've even showcased a full video around it where you get to know everything you have to know about it, and it's pretty cool. So once you have this Sephira application installed, you can just link your phone to it easily, and you don't need any account or any Microsoft Bloatware on it, and this works seamlessly. The only downside is that you don't have this nice sidebar around your start menu with this Sephira application, and also you can't access call through it, but it's worth installing it if you don't really want to add your Microsoft account to your computer to actually use this phone link application. So just give that one to a try. If you really watch my videos for a while, you know we can't go into something nice without including customization vibe. So this tool is actually worth a try, which is Winhawk. And with this Winhawk applications, you get to have a whole lot of mod library over here where you can transform your computer from looking boring to a whole new vibe. And if you really want to know how you can customize or know the best mod on how to actually customize your computer, check the videos on my channel. I also link some in the card above, which will really elevate how you use your computer. So give that one to a try. The next application I'm going to show you is a nice application which actually helps someone who does tutorials or also do some kind of presentation, because it gives your computer a nice click effect like this everywhere. I think it's a pretty cool application to have if you are someone who actually makes tutorial videos and the rest, because with this anyone can just see when you click your mouse. It has some cool features like right clicking to show a different color or left clicking to show a different color. And not only that, you can also customize everything through its application over here, and I think it's pretty cool. The only downside is that it has this Chinese vibes and it's an open source and there's no one who has actually made the English version. So yeah, this is what we have now, and I think it's a pretty cool and a nice thing over here to have. And you can also give it a try to actually feel how it actually works like, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, the last tool I'm going to show you is a tool which I've actually used for a while now, and this tool is one of the best tools which has actually helped me in optimizing my Windows computer when it comes to performance and also speed. You all know how in 2026 Windows has actually comes up with a whole lot of bloat, which has actually makes our Windows computer a bit slower and the rest, and it's a whole lot of problem. But this application, we have this performance section where you can configure a whole lot of vibes in order to boost your computer speed. And not only that, when you head to this trick session, you can also block certain stuff like all the telemetry and the add stuff to actually improve your computer speed and performance. And I think this is a pretty cool application that anyone should actually give it a try. So yeah, these are the top applications that I think Windows should actually include in their operating system, so that we can actually configure it to our personal feel and make it seems like our own and make it feel really good. So these are the top tools I wanted to show you, and if you have any one of them which you think is pretty cool, I didn't add it to this list, then you can just comment it below, and also make sure you subscribe, which really help the channel a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.